Hello students, welcome to another English session for 5th grade with teacher Pedro. And first, very important, what are we going to study? And for the session of today, let's learn about some expressions, some phrases, okay? And the topic for this session is the number 17, expressions for giving directions, okay? Topic 17, expressions for giving directions. And the first expression is turn left. Observe. Turn left. Let's repeat. Turn left. Okay? Number 2. Turn right. Pay attention. Turn right. Let's repeat. Turn right. Next. Walk 1 block. Walk 2 blocks. Walk 3 blocks. Okay? Block. Here we have an example of block, and this is walk. Okay? Walk. Walk 1 block. Walk 2 blocks, walk 3 blocks, okay? Very important here. The expression is walk 1 block, walk 2 blocks, walk 3 blocks. Incorrect. Walk 1, 2, 3 blocks. Incorrect. It's walk 1 block, walk 2 blocks, walk 3 blocks, okay? And finally, let's study some vocabulary. Time for a dictionary. The first word is block. The second block is nearby. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Number 1, block. Number 2, nearby. Use a dictionary. And thank you very much. That's all for the session of today. And please repeat the video as much as you need. That's all for all. Bye.